Hi guys, this is homemade syrup and of course made by me and I think bagay to sa matcha. Kaya naman, let's fix a day with matcha. Matcha of the day is Wakatake ng MK. Paubos na rin siya. Sobrang favorite ko tong powder na to, hindi to ceremonial pero masarap to kahit culinary grade. Sobrang premium guys ng lasa, legit. And of course, syrup, nagawa ko. The moment of truth. Di ko pa rin nasabi ko ano yung nilagay kong syrup. Ang nilagay ko is Earl Grey syrup. Actually, gawa ko siya and binalance ko talaga yung sweetness ng syrup tapos nung tea. Kaya bagay na bagay talaga siya sa matcha. So yun lang, thanks for watching.